Oculus Rift S PC-powered VR gaming headset. The original Oculus Rift was one of the best VR headsets around for connecting to a PC and enjoying immersive gaming. The Oculus Rift S builds upon that. The headset itself is a lot sleeker than before, and it now has a 2560x1440 resolution display with a fast 80Hz refresh rate. And it's rather light as well, which makes it ideal for long sessions of VR gaming, whether you're sitting at your desk or enjoying VR in a larger space. It also has a rather neat feature in the form of speakers that are integrated in the headband, avoids the need to use the original Rift's onboard headphones. The audio results are fairly impressive. Thanks to Oculus Insight tracking tech, the Oculus Rift S can deliver room-scale VR without the need to place external sensors around the place. And it comes with the impressive touch controllers that nearly track movements and help make VR feel a lot more kinetic and immersive. And the Oculus Rift S comes with an impressive library of games all on the Oculus Store, with notable highlights including Beat Saber, Superhot, Job Simulator. Overall, the Oculus Rift S is the best VR headset for folks looking for a PC-based system that plays a huge library of great games for a decent price. HP Reverb G2 VR Headset with controller, adjustable lenses and speakers from Valve. If you're looking for the best image quality in consumer VR, HP's newest VR headset wins. For serious gamers or VR racing sim fans, this VR technology may be your best choice. The 2160x2160 per eye resolution and 114-degree field of view are the best at this price range. And the lightweight, comfy headset also has fantastic drop-down speakers designed by Valve. It's technically a Microsoft Windows mixed reality headset that prefers to launch into Microsoft's native Windows 10 VR ecosystem, but it bridges with Steam VR and works with those games and apps too. Built-in camera-based room tracking is easier to set up than the Valve Index's external base stations, but is more prone to tracking errors. The included controllers, based on Microsoft's VR controller design, feel clunkier than either the Oculus Touch controllers or Valve Index controllers. Also, the over-ear speakers are your only audio choice. There's no headphone jack. Valve Index VR Full Kit. Valve's headset might be the most interesting PC virtual reality experience this year, just for its fancy new controllers. Valve's knuckle controllers are pressure-sensitive and can track all 5 fingers, making them almost like gloves. Not many apps make the most of them yet, but Valve's hardware is mix-and-match compatible with the HTC Vive, which also is built on the Steam VR platform. The Index headset has excellent audio and a really sharp, wide field of view display. The Index uses external lighthouse boxes, meaning you need to set those up in a room first. It's not as self-contained as Oculus's Rift S, which can track the room within headset cameras, or the HTC Vive Cosmos. It's also definitely not wireless, but if you already have some Vive hardware, you could add on parts of the Index to mix and match. Sony PlayStation VR. Sony's years-old PSVR headset is still the only head-mounted display for gaming consoles, and its screen still offers a surprisingly immersive experience. But Sony's confirmed it's working on a next-gen PSVR headset for the PS5 with a new set of controllers that could be coming in 2022 if you want to wait. In the meantime, Sony has delivered, and continues to deliver, many excellent virtual reality games, many of them exclusives. All you need is the PSVR and a PlayStation 4 and you can start playing. A few good games to start with are listed here. This VR system is showing its age, though, compared to the alternatives. And the new PS5, while it'll work with the old PSVR, will need your old PS4 controllers and camera, plus a camera adapter, to work. Note that this PlayStation VR headset is increasingly hard to get, so expect to pay a premium if you find it in stock anywhere. At $299 with nothing else needed, the Oculus Quest 2 delivers virtual reality games and an immersive VR experience anywhere. This virtual reality headset is faster, smaller, cheaper and more comfortable to wear than the original Quest, but you have to log into Facebook in order to use it. A new version of the Quest 2 doubles the storage of the $299 model to 128 GB. And includes a silicone cover for the foam face piece after a voluntary recall of the foam covers earlier this year due to facial irritation concerns with a small subset of customers. Existing Quest 2 owners can order a free silicone cover. The Quest 2 reminds me of the Nintendo Switch for its versatility and fun, plus it takes mere seconds to start up and fits really well over glasses. The standalone VR headset is self-contained motion tracking and a full motion 6 degrees of freedom (aka 6 DoF) VR controller that is the same as the ones on the PC-required Oculus Rift, plus a surprisingly great high-resolution display and built-in speakers. Apps are downloaded right to the standalone headset's onboard storage. Its more limited mobile processor still plays games such as Beat Saber, Moss and Superhot VR extremely well, and it can even connect with a PC, if you want to, using a single USB-C cable. Facebook discontinued the Oculus Rift S, so the Quest 2 is the best and only option over Oculus VR right now. But PC VR users have lots of other headset options.